do, I'll put it right underneath here.
Put it on high.
And I
Yeah,
can
and it's been nicely sitting here, you know, nothing's happened to it, it's not burning, but it's still,
If the
I
pan,
burned it before, but it's still liquidy.
if the pan's on the fire, for lack of a better term, and you turn on high and there's nothing in the pan, how hot will that pan get?
Most induction cooktops have a sensor that if they were to boil completely dry, they would still register that there's nothing in the pan and shut off that connection because it can sense when the pan is getting too hot as opposed to when it's low something. So there are built-in safety features like that. Just like if we were to take this pan off of the induction cooktop right now and take it over to the countertop, it's actually, you can see the light flashing right now because it's searching for that magnetic connection. If that magnetic connection is not made, there's nothing it can do.
You can touch the card, like there's, it's warm, but it's not burning, and this is hot.
Some manufacturers even advise, because paper is a little iffy because it can be flammable under certain circumstances. You definitely can do it. I can't say I've never put induction or newspaper over my induction cooking surface. But one thing that you can do that manufacturers will say is those silicone baking sheets that you can get to put on top of your baking trays. You can always get one of those that is sized properly for your cooktop. You can put your cookware directly on top of that thin silicone baking sheet to protect the glass. Get that question a lot. So if somebody's worried about scratching, they want to keep it looking as new as possible. If they want to protect against splatter or anything, you can actually still, as long as that magnetic connection is still there, and you've got a strong magnetic element under there, and then the ferrous material in the pan, you could actually put that there, and those silicone baking sheets are oven safe.